If you're paying vendors by check or dealing with suppliers who don't accept credit cards, you're losing time and money. Today, we're comparing Melio and Plastiq, two platforms that let you pay any vendor with your credit card, even when they only take bank transfers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one saves you more money. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Both platforms let you pay vendors with credit cards even when those vendors don't accept cards. Melio is focused on small businesses needing simple accounts payable with QuickBooks integration. Plastiq offers maximum payment flexibility, including short-term financing and the ability to pay personal expenses like rent or mortgage. Here's the crucial part. Their fee structures are fundamentally different, and that can cost you thousands annually. Let's start with fees because this is where one can destroy your margins. Melio charges free ACH on the Go plan, then 50 cents per transfer. Credit card payments are 2.9%. International payments have a $20 flat fee. Plastiq charges 99 cents for every ACH transfer. Credit card payments are 2.99%. They also add delivery fees up to $39 for wires. Here's the real math. 50 ACH payments monthly costs you $0 to $25 with Melio. Plastiq costs $49.50. Over a year, that's $594 versus potentially $0 to $300. That's real money. Payment speed matters for vendor relations. Melio offers same-day card-to-ACH payments and instant payments via RTP. Standard ACH takes 1 to 2 business days. Plastiq takes 3 to 5 business days minimum, with some users reporting delays up to 7 days. If you need to maintain strong supplier relationships, Melio's speed is a major advantage. For accounting integration, Melio syncs with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Xero. They include W-9 collection and 1099 e-filing built in. Plastiq only works with QuickBooks Online, no desktop support. They don't have tax tools. If you're on QuickBooks Desktop or handle 1,099 contractors, Melio is your only real option. Melio gives you unlimited users on all paid plans with no per-seat pricing. Plastiq gives 3 users free, then $59 per month for more. As your team grows, Melio's unlimited access is a huge cost saver. Here's Plastiq's unique advantage, built-in short-term financing. They offer 30, 60, and 90-day financing options, basically business credit without a bank. If you're in a cash crunch, this can be a lifesaver. Melio has no financing option at all. For payment restrictions, Melio reliably accepts American Express. Plastiq has been inconsistent with Amex. Most personal Visa cards on Plastiq are restricted to rent, utilities, tuition, and taxes only. Business cards have more flexibility. If you're earning Amex points, Melio is more reliable. For international payments, Melio supports 55+ countries with a $20 flat fee, perfect for large transfers. Plastiq supports 45+ countries with multiple currency options. For payments over $5,000, Melio's flat fee is substantially cheaper. Melio has a cleaner, more intuitive interface with mobile apps and invoice capture via photo. Setup takes minutes. Plastiq is more complex with a steeper learning curve but offers more advanced features for those who need them. Here's the bottom line. Choose Melio if you want lower fees, faster payments, QuickBooks Desktop integration, unlimited team members, or built-in tax tools for 1,099 contractors. Choose Plastiq if you need short-term financing, want to pay personal expenses like rent or mortgage alongside business bills, or frequently pay in multiple foreign currencies. For most small businesses, Melio is the better choice in 2026. Lower costs, faster delivery, better integrations, and simpler pricing. But if financing is critical or you need those specific Plastiq features, it might be worth the extra cost. Links to both platforms are in the description below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons that actually save you money. Drop a comment if you're using either platform. I'd love to hear about your experience. See you in the next one.